Hi everyone, Tanya Hertz here. I wanted to show you a little bit about the tools that I use to record introduction videos as well as update videos for my online classes here at Miramar College as well as at San Diego State University. Now, my favorite tool to use is Zoom. And the reason that I love Zoom is because I can use it to share my screen with the students. It is a very easy tool to use. I don't have to do a lot of editing. It automatically records the closed captions for you. And I'm going to show you right now how I use that. I typically post video updates in the classes at least once a week, maybe a little bit more than that. And I'll log on to Zoom, go ahead and click on the icon that shows us here. Let me move this. It's a little slow right now. There it is, my account icon. And you'll click on host a meeting with the video on, and it will then prompt the browser to open the application, which is zoom.us. Now, I'm not going to open it because I'm already in there, but once you do open that, you will, you need to make sure to hit record, because even though the video is on, it's not necessarily recording. Once you hit record, it starts recording from that point on, and you can then share your screen by clicking on the green share icon at the bottom. Once you do that, make sure that you're sharing the desktop, not a specific program that you have open or page that you have open. If you don't share the desktop, anytime you change the page, you'll disappear. The students won't be able to see what you're seeing. So make sure to click on that. And then you can move around within your laptop, and everything that you open will then share with your students, and they can see what you're seeing. So I just finished recording a video on prototyping for my entrepreneurship class, which is a hybrid class. And we use, as part of this project, a tool that I created called the pre-model canvas tool, and I show them how to prototype their idea that we finished evaluating. I've actually finished recording that video. When we're done, we go back to the Zoom platform, we go back to our account, and then you can see in your account your recordings. Now, all of your recordings are recorded either locally on your computer, which is the default, or you can record them into the cloud, which I recommend so that you don't bog down your computer. So I record all of mine into the cloud. I have several different files that I've started, that I've recorded this morning, and the most recent recording was, or the recording that I was going to show you, there it is. This is the recording of the video that I just recorded for my students. And hi everyone, there it is. Here. So once you have this here, you can see that it automatically transcribes the entire recording of the meeting, and you can then edit the meeting recording. You can see here, they always misspell my name, so you can fix that transcription. You can fix any other errors in the transcription so that you can get your closed captions in there correctly. Once you're done with that, you'll download the files. And as soon as you've downloaded those files, you'll go onto YouTube and you'll upload the files there. Now, I've already done that. And so I've put the video here onto YouTube. And I uploaded those, I uploaded both the video recording of the meeting and the transcripted files so that I have the closed captions there. Make sure that when you are creating your video on YouTube, that you actually input the closed caption feature by clicking on the CC icon. If you don't do that, the students will need to manually click on that themselves if they want to see the closed captions. And I've found that it's better just to have those closed captions there available for them. So once you've done that, you go back into your Canvas system, and I am going to show you how to upload the video. I haven't done that yet into Canvas. So I have the page already created there. So you'll want to click on Edit. You'll want to find where you want to put it. So I gave them a little overview of the pitch deck, but here's where I wanted to tell them about how to, or show them through the video, how to actually create a prototype suite. So go to the editor, I should say that, the HTML editor in order to embed the video. And I don't think I copied it. Let me make sure that I copied it. No, I didn't. So you want to click on Share. You want to click on Embed. You copy the embedded video rather than just the standard share video. You go back to your Canvas, Then you'll click on HTML editor. You find where you need to put that. So it was under the pitch deck presentation. It's a little hard to read those HTML. That looks like where it should go, right there. And then you can check to make sure that you did it correctly. There's my pitch deck video. There's my PowerPoint. And yes, there's the prototype video embedded there. I had some extra spaces so I can delete those. So there's that prototype video, and then I do have just a standard video on how to give a presentation. So they're all created there. Looks like everything's good. I'll go ahead and save that, and I'm good to go. My students will be notified of the video. Oh, and I should have said you can click on the button at the bottom to notify the students that you've actually uploaded the video. Or what I typically do is I go in after the fact and create an announcement. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was useful to you and that you have lots of fun creating videos for your students in your online classes. Take care. Bye-bye.